My tainted gold. I squat in a hole under my home, counting my fingers, rosé sauce red. The raccoon, outside looking in, humph. I humph back and wince at my pulsating hands. My children muck up their boots in mud. The splashes and cries of giddy laughter embrace the piercing coqui for a croak, piercing my brainstem. I place my hands on my knees. The memory of sharp rocks beneath me retracts my beaten hands. I stuff them in soft soil above me. My flesh cools as my blood slows down. A cherry oak box with a broken heart, embroidered in front of my shaking eyes, recoils the treadle of the burning machine in me. I squeeze the memory that twiddles my sternum, loosely, forcing the box to bust open, the unbreakable lock eviscerated into the ground, letting out the loud word from my chest, heartbreak. She is gone, but they are not. Shut up. My heart keeps talking, despite my diamond clarity, despite the hardening of my hands. A rumble rumbles above me. Daddy, Daddy, Daddy can play. I must smile and dance with the well-dressed posh monkeys. I pull my hands from the soil, using them to slam the box shut. Rock on left and right. Do not roll. I roll out of the hole. Fill the hole to hide the old bleeding tainted gold. May it never find its way back to my empty but smiling chest. Emerging from the hobbit nest, I am more muck than man, more beaten than a scraped knee, but I smile as good pieces of her dance in front of me.